Hello beautiful people, I'm Vick Natural Remedies. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys how to reduce weight in a healthy way. Home remedy, things that cannot cause harm to your body. So if this sounds like what you're interested in, just keep on watching. But don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share the video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that button down below and turn the button bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Without wasting much of your time, let's just get into the video. Once again. Okay, the first thing we need here is our celery stalk. So in this recipe, I'm gonna use 8 stalks. 2, 4, 6, 8 because I just want to put it inside the fridge. I want to make it to be big. Okay. So I'm gonna cut it and add straight to the bowl. Celery is rich in nutrients such as vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin C, potassium, magnesium. Celery is high in antioxidants which increase fat burning. Celery helps lower high cholesterol and blood sugar. Celery helps treat hypertension. Celery regulates lipid metabolism. Celery lower in calories and contain water and fiber that makes you feel full for a long time. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved one. Just click on that button down below and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Please guys, share the video. Add everything into the bowl. So the next thing we need here is our green apple, preferably green apple. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it. I'll add it straight to the bowl. I'll just add everything straight to the bowl. Of course, I've added to the bowl this green apple, 2 green apples, and the celery stalk, 8 celery stalks. So I'm gonna set it aside. So the next thing we need in this recipe is our cucumber. I'll make use of 1 full cucumber. So I'll just cut everything and add it straight. You can go ahead and make it in a large quantity again and put it inside your fridge, or you can just make the one you can be able to consume it straight. So I'll add it straight to the bowl. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that button down below and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So I've added everything inside the bowl. I have here cucumber, apple and celery stalk. Okay, so I'll set it aside. So the next thing I have here is my lemon. I'm gonna make use of 2 lemons in this recipe. I'll just start by peeling off the back of the lemon. And I'll cut it and add it straight to the plate. Straight to the plate and I'll set it aside. The next thing we need here is our ginger. I'll start by peeling off the back of the ginger. Just cut it. Everything to the plate. So look at what we have here. We have ginger and lemon here. So in here we have cucumber, apple, a green apple and celery stalk. I'm gonna add 3 cups of water. Then first I'm gonna add my ginger and lemon. Then followed by cucumber. And I'll add my apple. Then I'll add celery stalk. Cover to blend. So this is it. So right now I'm gonna use my sieve. Just sieve everything. What I need is just the juice. Guys, this thing works so well. Just go ahead and give it a try and come back in the comment section below to give me the feedback. It works. It's just follow the instructions, gonna work for you. It's just what we use in our home. If you know that we react to these things I'm using, please don't use it. So guys, this is it. I'm gonna pour it straight. I'll just fill up my cup. So guys, this is exactly what you need to just redo that with that belly fat and just keep in shape. This thing works so well, guys. Just go ahead and give it a try and come back to the comment section below and give me your feedback. I would love to hear your feedback. It works. Go and try it. What you will do is, you want to make it in a large quantity more than the way I did. You just double everything we use in this recipe and put it inside your fridge. After doing it, just put it inside your fridge. Make sure you consume it on or before 3 days. And if you know you cannot finish it in 3 days, just package small and put inside your freezer. Whenever you want to use it, you bring it out and just allow it to melt, then you can go ahead and use it. So yeah, here comes the end of the video. Hope you guys love it, hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved one. Just click on that red button down below and turn on the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.